You ever been so broke you check your bank account and laugh? Like, wow, I didn't know it was possible to owe money on a prepaid card. Yeah, I've been there. That weird combination of panic and peace, where you're too broke to function, but also too broke to be stressed about it. Want to hang out? Bro, I'm hanging on. If that's you right now, stuck in the how the heck do I make money online without getting scammed by a guy named Brad who sells crypto courses in a Lambo he probably rented? You're not alone. Look, making money online is not just for tech bros, drop shipping ninjas, or people who figured out TikTok dances in 2020. It's for regular humans, like you and me. People who don't have a trust fund. People who Googled how to make passive income at 3 a.m. and accidentally signed up for 3 different email newsletters and an astrology-based side hustle. So what's the real issue here? We're drowning in options and allergic to starting. You think you need a perfect niche, a Canva Pro account, an LLC, and a podcast before you even post your first gig. Nope. What you need is to start ugly, start small, start now. Here's a simple way to look at it. There are only 3 types of online money-making gigs. First, skill-based. You got a skill? Writing, designing, editing videos, coding, even voiceovers? Sell it. Go on Fiverr or Upwork and just put up a gig. Not perfect? Doesn't matter. The world is full of people with more confidence than talent. Be one of them. Second, info-based. You know something people don't? Package it. Not into full-blown courses yet? Fine. Start with a PDF guide or a NOTION template. Sell it on Gumroad. Help people with something specific, like how I fixed my sleep schedule without becoming a 5 a.m. gym bro. 3. Content-based. You talk, you film, you post. It's slow at first, but when it works, it scales hard. Start a TikTok or YouTube Shorts channel about something you actually care about, or at least can fake caring about twice a week. Use AI tools to help if you need. Don't overthink it. Here's the 3-step plan to stop dreaming and start doing. Step 1. Pick one thing, not 3. 1. I'll try writing. Cool. Commit to writing 3 things a week for 2 weeks. Step 2. Post it. Sell it. Ship it. Imperfect and all? Don't wait until it's amazing. Make it exist. Step 3. Recycle and repeat. What worked? Do more. What flopped? Learn and laugh or cry. Then laugh again. You don't need to go viral. You need to go visible. One person seeing your work is enough to start. Most people never even get there. So here's your call to action. Drop one idea in the comments. Just one idea you've been too nervous to start. Then go do something about it today. Not tomorrow. Not when I'm less tired. Today, even if it's messy, especially if it's messy, because trust me, messy action is what turns into momentum. And hey, if this gave you even one small spark, hit that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe for more no BS advice and maybe share it with your broke but determined best friend. The internet's a gold mine, but only for the people who actually pick up the shovel.